Imagine taking hours at interviews every week just to find that only a handful of candidates are a real fit. Now imagine if you could save all that time and still get structured, consistent evaluations instantly. Introducing you to Interview Bot, your AI-powered hiring assistant that automates candidate evaluation from start to finish. Hey all, I'm Susan and I've been closely working on building the interview board to help recruiters save time, reduce repetitive screening, and hire smarter. We'll be taking you through the interview board process. So yes, let's dig into that. As you can see that this is a workflow of the application. So when the candidate comes in, they can click on start the call and then they can attend the interview. So a board be asking the questions so that they can answer all those relevant question with the appropriate answer. So once the interview is data, the candidate get end the interview, and at that time is where the performance of the NE10 comes in place. So here, once the candidate ends the interview, now the webhook gets triggered, and now this gets applied to the evaluation schema. After applying the evaluation schema on to analyzes the performance of the candidate, then AI agent processes data and then the evaluation gets completed, followed by which the result would be sent to the recruiter via the mail and also the result gets logged into the Google Sheet automatically. So now, yes, let's move on to the N810 workflow to see how this actually works. So here you can see that this is actually the webhook where you can see in detail when you select the webhook, you can see the method, the path, and all the authentication that's given, the response, how the response should be, everything is being given likewise. So now when we move back, once the webhook gets triggered, as we had said, this actually applies to the evaluation schema. So now let's see how is the evaluation schema is being here. So now in this evaluation schema, this actually given all those, how the evaluation schema, everything, how the evaluation should be about what all should be the questions and everything is being written here. So now if you want to have any other questions as well, that can be done here. So this is where the question comes in. And now the evaluation based on the question also comes in. So now what that we does is that after evaluation schema is being set, this actually being given to the AI agent. So AI agent actually based on the prompt, it actually says that about you, like this is the boat and you have to be like that is you have to have you have to actually set the voice with all the questions based on the schema and everything. All those instruction is being sent in this AI agent. So AI agent now just what does is that this actually goes up to the ChatGPT model. So now we have selected the body here, this GPT-4 OVE. If you want to select any other models as well, that can be done. So this actually it comes in contact with the ChatGPT model for the response, and then this comes up with the answer. That's like it for the evaluation part. This everything happens with the analysis part. So now once the analysis is done, this will be sent to the mail here. So when we click here, you can see the respected mail to which this email will be sending out. And now there is recruiter. So all the if you want to have any other mails as well, that can be added over here so that the respective recruiter will be getting that mail here. So that comes the Google data part. So apart from that, the Google Sheet can also be is also connected here. So but in this Google Sheet, what we can see that, all those Google data that's like, the data of the result of the particular candidate will also be seen. Yes, now the data also is being connected here. So that can also be connected as part of this enable work. So this is how the workflow comes in. So yes, apart from that, would like to add that this can be integrated to CRM and ATS based on the requirement. So yes, with an interview board, you just don't save time. You hire smarter, faster, and more consistently. So this is hiring in the age of AI, and our interview board makes it a reality. So yes, signing off and see you in the next video. Thank you.